Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
I'm a non-believer in taking votes.
And press like.
I'm going to, at PRP, we're going to earn our keep. And how do we do that? We're appealing to not vote for party, but vote for your future, vote for your country. That's what we're all about. Now, I believe collectively that this next election will have the highest number of voter turnout in the history of this country. And that's why we have 3 new parties basically going against the 2 established parties. And those established parties, their days are numbered for sure. We don't have to take their votes. They have lost their support base because they have failed woefully. Now, what is going to happen further is that a lot of us are this, that of those same parties. So for once, you have a fresh option to pick from. And that is what I expect the Nigerian youth and the Nigerian public to vote for. And that is PRP. Thank you.
Well, your turn.